Hi, and welcome to my term project, Philo-O-Music. It does interval and chord music theory analysis and allows the user to simply play around on piano. This is the welcome screen where you can just play piano. As you click, it tells you what notes you're playing. You can exit the screen and you'll be taken to the analysis portion of the application. Here you can enter notes manually or through the keyboard. I'll start with the keyboard. Press K to turn it on, enter the notes that you want to use, press T to save them, and click. You can tell it whether you want to use the third and fourth notes that you entered. If not, you just get the interval of the first two, and then you enter the key that you want. It'll tell you the interval of the first two notes, the first and third note, and the first and fourth note if you entered them. It analyzes the quality and interval number, so F sharp to A is a minor third, F sharp to C is a diminished fifth. If it's a third and a fifth and the right qualities, then you entered a standard triad. It will tell you that the quality of it, this is diminished. It'll do the same thing for the seventh and then tell you the seventh chord. So this is a minor seventh and that makes a half diminished seventh chord. This chord is a one chord in F major, which is the key that I entered. If you want to change the key and see the same chord in a new key, press Q, enter the key. I'll do D major, and now it's a 3 chord. For audio, you can press each individual pitch, each individual intervals, or the whole chord. And you can also graph each individual one as a sine wave. And you can see the whole chord, and this is all of the sine waves together for each pitch. If you would like to enter again through the piano or through manual input, press KT to reset, press K again to go through the keyboard, or just click to use the manual input. This will ask you if you want what type of accidental or just naturals for the first two pitches. I'll do some sharps. You can do D sharp, lowercase for the sharp, uppercase for the natural. I'll do F. I'll do no for the third note and no for the fourth note. And then I'll do F major. And then it'll tell you just the interval and what the quality is. You didn't enter a chord, so it's not going to give you what it is in the key because simple intervals don't change from key to key. You can still hear each pitch and the interval. And you can also still graph each pitch and see the interval together. And that's Philo-O-Music.